what is in the curriculum, right? What's inside of it? Let's start with the core modules. The exam consists of 5 modules, with the second module being the most content heavy, containing 10 chapters. So, Module 2, we call it the technical engine. It has 10 chapters, and this is the crux of the exam and contains the most amount of curriculum or content. Next is the machine learning fundamentals. In this, you will study supervised, semi-supervised, unsupervised, and even reinforcement learning. Now, advanced AI technologies. So the curriculum dives into NLP, natural language processing, and the generative AI models such as ChatGPT, Gemini Pro, and HeyGen. The goal here is understanding exactly how these models work in and out so you can identify where they might fail. Next, modules 3, 4, and 5. This is the governance and risk framework. So while module 2 is the largest, these 3 modules cover roughly 60% of the curriculum and are absolutely critical for passing the exam. You learn about model-specific risks, cyber risks that are connected to AI, and how AI impacts traditional credit, market, and operational risks. Now, when it comes to the governance structure section, this section teaches you how to build a governance framework, how to conduct AI audits, and how to ensure an organization follows global regulations. Next, the ethics and the data aspect. Now, a major focus is going to be placed on ethical AI, where it's preventing you from customer discrimination, and data privacy, which is increasingly growing more importance with new laws such as India's Data Privacy Act. And here's a pro tip. While module 2 is vast, do not ignore the last 3 modules because, like I said, they account for 60% from an exam clearing perspective. So what is in for you with all of these? What are the career opportunities and who is hiring? Well, this is not just for banks. Career opportunities are booming in a huge list of roles such as core finance, which is for banks, insurance, and asset management firms, consulting and tech. So as we know, the big four, EY, PwC, KPMG, Deloitte, and even tech giants like Amazon, TCS, Cognizant, all of them are looking for something like this. Now, what type of new opportunity, what kind of profiles or roles will you guys get if you do these certifications? Well, you have something like AI governance and responsible AI officer. You have something called a fraud detection specialist. These are actual roles you can actually apply for right now in credit card companies, loan portfolios. Then there is something called quant risk analyst, full with an AI focus. Here you build and validate AI-driven models for hedge funds and banks. Then you have fintech strategy consultant, where you help companies build risk frameworks for digital AI adoption. So what's the growth potential for you guys? Well, in the future, we may see the rise of this chief AI officer, just like we have chief risk officer or chief technology officer.